need three things. First is insight, second is speed, and third is accuracy. The way the problems are solved, insight is you get an insight to a problem because we don't use any formulae. Second is speed and third is accuracy. And Vedic maths, especially Vedic maths taught here, is an indispensable tool for getting higher speed and better accuracy.
Is that how easy it is to calculate those things which seems to be incalculable to any other person. In aptitude, it eliminated all the boundaries. That is, there is nothing left like chapters.
Vedic maths is directly related to how you approach to the questions. It is sometimes you doesn't feel that the question is, you feel that question is too much hard. But by sometimes thinking on it means you realize what the question is and you doesn't have to calculate it on the paper, using the paper and also. It is just related to brain exercise. Teaches us how to solve the cubes and squares mentally. Means to memorize the numbers what are coming. It also helps us in exercising our brain. So it also helps to improve our brain capacity, and thus Vedic maths helps us very more. And in this way, you may also reduce the time you used for calculations. And this is always very important in competitive exams like CAT. And
during my CAT preparation, I was under a lot of stress because मेरी maths बहुत weak थी and I was like really scared of maths. But मैंने उसके बाद classes join की where I learned the easy techniques and which really helped me a lot during my CAT preparation. उसके कारण my biggest weakness, that was maths, actually became my biggest strength and I felt really positive. इसके कारण I learned a lot many things, not just the correct way of studying but way of leading a proper and a correct life.
I'm a student at Delhi University and I'm here in Bhopal for my holidays. And these 15 days of coaching at for Vedic maths, it has been more helpful to me than the entire year of coaching which I had been taking in Delhi. Because what these coaching institutes, whereas competitive exams do, is they just teach you, the whole approach is very formula based. They just make you learn the formulae without any basic, without giving you much idea about the logic which is behind the formulae. So whereas in a 2-hour competitive exam, what they really want to see is your ability to reason and your logic. And this is where Vedic math steps in, is very helpful because it brushes up your logic and teaches you how to see the question in the light of reasoning and logic, and it teaches you to apply logic to a question rather than a formula.